Hey guys, welcome to Cool Fall. These are some 3D printed collet racks that I made. They're SK collets. Very high clamping force collet. Here's one of the tool holders that goes in the machine. It's a Capto C6. You can see how it like has a tri-lobe shape to it. And this monstrosity here it makes it easy for me to hold the tools. Take a end mill here. Normally I would have a ruler here so I could set how much stick out there is on the tool, depending upon what I'm going to be doing with it. Set the torque wrench to lock. Put it on here and pull it back till it clicks. And that tool is set and ready to go in the machine.